Hello everyone, my name is Innocent Ngroye. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Quillbot, which is one of the AI writing assistant tools in Microsoft Word. This is very important because it allows you to have a real-time paraphrasing and summarizing, language enhancement, as well as time saving. So the first thing, you need to have internet connection, and then you just have to go to the Insert tab and then go to where it says add-ins, then select get add-ins and wait for it to load. So we're just waiting for it to load, and after that, on the search bar type Quillbot like this and press enter. It has appeared here. Then select add and then continue. So have to wait for it to be added. It has been added, so you can just click it. Got it. Now we would like to start using this Quillbot. So you have to select the Quillbot tab and then go to launch Quillbot. So you can see that now we have a new panel. As you can see here, we can also move this. And Quillbot offers you a lot of features. The first feature is the paraphraser tool. The next is the grammar checker. Next, which we'll have, is the summarizer for summarizing long paragraphs as well as articles. And then we have the translator tool, which you would like or which you can use to translate languages. And on the navigation bar, we have the login. If you have a Quillbot account, you can choose to log in or to sign in. Then you have the language here. Then you have the mode, which you can choose either dark or light. And down here we have Quillbot plan. So you can choose the premium plan if you'd like to pay, or you can just use the free plan, of which some features they are not available, such as the content and the enhancement. Some of these they are not there. So to use the Quillbot, after launching it, you just have to select the paragraph which you would like to paraphrase, or to check the grammar which you have used. This is very important because, for example, this paragraph in Microsoft Word, as we can see here, nothing has been underlined, meaning to say that everything is just okay. But in the sense, we have some errors in this paragraph. So we're going to check it using the grammar checker. So I'm just going to select this. After selecting, you can see that it has appeared here. And then you can see we have some words which have been underlined with a red line. Those words, they have some errors. And here it says 165 words, which are the words for this paragraph, and we'll have 26 errors. These errors, they are just for collectiveness. As I've already said, that some features, they are not available in the free plan. So these words, as we can see here, we can choose to collect one by one. For example, I can just hover my mouse over the word which has been underlined, and it gives me the options like replace with it has added a comma, or I can choose to ignore if I feel that everything is just okay. So I'm just going to select replace, or else if you see that it's going to take a lot of time, you can just choose to press on fix all. But I would advise to go one by one, because when you just use fix all, for example, if you have cited, it's going to affect the citation which you have used. So after doing this, now we would like to replace the paragraph which we have in Word with the paragraph which has been collected or which has been checked. So to do that, you just have to click where it says insert. Now you can see that we have replaced that paragraph with a new enhanced and a paragraph which we have checked its grammar. So this is what we can do with Quillbot. Thanks for watching this video.